negative 2. That is a negative exponent, so using law of negative exponent will be 1 over 2 to the second power, which is 1 over 4. The next one, 3 to the power negative 1, is 1 over 3 to the first power, and is 1 over 3. The third one is, again, I'm going to use laws of exponents, so it's going to be 1 over 4 to the first power. And by using the operation of how to divide a number by a ratio, we write the numerator 1 times reciprocal. So the answer will be 4. And the last one, 5 over 8 to 0 power. Any number to 0 power is 1. Now, if we want to compare these numbers, because we need to order, we can write all the calculations using decimal numbers. 1 over 4 is 0.25. 1 over 3 is 0.3 repeating. And then we have 4 and 1. So if we want to order this from lowest to the highest number, from the least to the greatest, we can rewrite these numbers as, first of all, 1 over 4, or 0.25, which is 2 to the power negative 2. That's the first one. The second one is 0.3 repeating, which is 3 to the power negative 1. And then we have 5 over 8 to the 0 power, which is the answer 1. And the last one is 1 over 4 to the power negative 1. And this is how we order